Those realizing the Dogelon Mars cost expectation interest you? For a great many people, the response to this question will be yes. Since Dogelon Mars, in the same way as other image tokens, has acquired a great deal of fame among crypto holders in the beyond couple of months. With such a spike in its interest, individuals want to find out whether they will be a tycoon by putting a couple of dollars in such Dogelon Mars Elon or not. The history of meme coins. Image coins are digital currencies aligned with specific topics, frequently humor and fun as opposed to specialized items and administrations. It very well may be from a web image or some tomfoolery character. Dogelon Mars Elon coin are neither focused on innovation, nor absent any and all essentials. Image coins don't serve certifiable use and have no viable utility like other digital currencies. Dogelon token is centered around networks and is local area driven. These are described by low worth and high flow. The greater part of the Dogelon Mars Elon are esteemed at a couple of pennies or a negligible portion of pennies. In light of the most recent information, around 124 image coins are available for use. Dogelon Mars Elon appeared from 2013 onwards. The very first image coin was named dogecoin. It is a digital money with the topic Doge image. Kobosu K9 in Japan is the motivation behind the Doge image. It was made as fun against serious digital forms of money, however the ubiquity of Dogelon Mars Elon has in the long run expanded. Dogecoin, Doge, Shiba Inu, SHIB, are the most well-known among image coins and give fierce opposition to the crypto market. Dogecoin innovation was gotten from Litecoin, and SHIB is based on the blockchain of Ethereum. Dogecoin has 100 billion tokens available for use, and SHIB token has around 1 quadrillion tokens. There could be no appropriate consuming timetable, an instrument for Dogelon Mars Elon, so for $1, you can buy a huge number of Dogelon Mars Elon. Behind the historical backdrop of Dogelon Mars Elon, a Shiba Inu canine was highlighted in an image. The authentic information uncovers the name of the canine is Kobosu. The discussion was filled with syntactic and spelling mistakes, which had ultimately become viral via web-based entertainment, and later it turned into the top image of the year. The word canine was incorrectly spelled as Doge while it was coursed on the web. Afterward, two computer programmers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer made the dogecoin to jab the extreme other crypto tokens available for use. Dogecoin was planned as a distributed digital currency to engage more extensive demography than Bitcoin. It had sent off at a $0.00026 token worth, however the exchanges were executed past assumption. Subsequently, the cost of Dogecoin soared and afterwards stopped at $0.00095 in 72 hours or less. The value development of Dogecoin is somewhat insane and exceptionally unpredictable. Thus, shrewd financial backers took advantage of the unpredictability to become well off temporarily. Today, it has become one of the top esteemed tokens around the world, spiked gigantically in the ongoing year, and has moved to 9th position. At the point when the prominence of such tokens expanded, many organizations concocted image coins. A few nations even made a move against image coin dissemination. In July 2021, Thailand prohibited the course of Dogelon Mars Elon coins in view of its unsteadiness and chance. Dogelon Mars, the road ahead. Most recent news reports out from the cryptographic money market manifest earlier year as well as 2022 may be a great time for Dogelon Mars Elon tokens. Dogecoin and Dogelon Mars have succeeded for the current year. After the exploded of Dogecoin, it was an obvious indicator that the cryptographic money market is generally tolerating Dogelon Mars coin. Individuals began effective financial planning. Later, Shiba Inu went into the 10 greatest cryptographic money list. From that point onward, market saw a development in the posting of Floki Inu, Safe Mars, Dogelon Mars, Akita Inu, Samoyed coin Samu, Kishu Inu, Kishu. A large portion of them have a similar example, yet they are from various networks. Squid Game, Squid, is a token made that is enlivened by the Netflix show Squid Game. It flooded in one day And some other time, when the designers had the mat pulled the following day, costs plunged to close to 100%. Crypto holders who hold Squid couldn't sell the token. Such a circumstance can occur whenever. The other insane component of image coins is that they will give exceptionally productive returns and make their financial backers moguls short-term. In a study led by Cribaco, a digital money research organization, in regards to the acquisition of new cryptographic forms of money, 91% of the 1,000 members have bought tokens. Dogelon Mars token doesn't have its blockchain, white paper, and a laid-out biological system. Aggregate jokes of the local area characterize the utilization cases or essentials of these tokens. The insane reality about Dogelon Mars Elon tokens is that financial backers have a great deal of trust in the symbolic's worth, since it has been put at a shallow worth. Subsequently, a large portion of the crypto holders are misdirected by the Dogelon Mars value, that later on, it will hit a $1, maximum capacity is still left, or they expect that this coin will likewise impact one day. Normally, individuals begin buying this sort of coin out of impulses and likes. This makes an unforeseen knock and dumps in the worth of the equivalent. The crowd conduct invigorated by an impetus in the market pushes the coin to spike. This may not occur with each coin. Some of them will go on with the exchanging esteem on the early stage, or it sent off cost for a long length without anybody seeing it and without making publicity on the social stages. This year, Shiba Inu surpassed the exchanged volume of Dogecoin. Elon Musk as of late tweeted a Chinese sonnet, and individuals began deciphering that tweet, alluding to Shiba Inu versus Dogecoin crypto spat. This made another shockwave in online entertainment. Merchants who were curious about Dogelon Mars Elon tokens additionally began buying them. Such virtual entertainment builds-up can't be anticipated without fail. It is considerably more erratic than the unpredictability of the business sectors. Crypto holders can't expect every image coin will have long-haul procuring potential. Dogelon Mars technical analysis. The flightiness of Dogelon Mars Elon cost is higher, contrasted with different coins of the cryptographic money market. Thus, giving a precise Dogelon Mars price estimate is very troublesome. Authentic information of Elon cost shows the section Dogelon Mars cost was around $0.0000000078. Soon after posting, the Elon cost has moved to $0.00000041. However, later after a sell Dogelon Mars sign, it has taken help at $0.00000015. In May 2021, the Dogelon Mars cost was raised to an end cost of $0.000000.